Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a Trader Joe's haul. This was like very random. I wasn't even expecting to go, but we stopped after we went to the park today and I was so excited. Like, I've been seeing people on Instagram showing like their summer stuff, especially their spicy jalapeno margarita mix. So that's why I went there and I ended up with 3 bags of groceries. So I'm going to do a quick haul, show you what I got, and maybe even at the end, I will show you how I make my margarita, because I did buy stuff to rim my glass. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you what I got. You can tell I haven't been to Trader Joe's in like 4 months by how excited I am. So let's go ahead and get started. How did your biplane get in there? People, come. You want to come film with Mama?
Yeah.
Come do.
Come
do hi, guys. No, you need to sit and eat your lunch first. I have myself a little helper. Did you move this? Load everything out of the bag. Okay. Not right this second. You need to eat your. Okay, so go eat your lunch and eat your lunch. I'm going to show you this haul quick now that I have everything laid out, and then I will put the price in the corner. That way you have an idea of how much I spent for each item. So I mentioned this in one of my other Trader Joe's videos. The one thing I always pick up is this Arugula Pizza. It is so amazing. I actually have some in the oven right now. Don't come with extra arugula like this one, and it just looks amazing. My husband and I are obsessed, and we've tried like the Walmart and Target pizzas, and none of them compare to this. So definitely got 3 of those. If my fridge would fit more, I would have purchased more. I also always love to get at least 1 or more of the Mandarin orange chickens. It's a nice, quick, easy dinner. Love these croissants with the chocolate chips. I like to get those. These are for my son, so we won't mention those now, but those are really good. I love the dark chocolate peanut butter cups, so I always pick those up. My son loves these inner peas. They're like dried peas. I call them pea chips. They only had 1 left, but they're like $1.99. I've heard so many good things about this banana fruit spread. I feel like it would taste really good on like brioche bread. So I picked up one of those to try. I've never had it before. If I have to guess, it probably tastes like the banana Gerber baby food. That's just what crosses my mind. We needed more minced garlic, and since this was $1.99 in a fairly big jar, I picked it up because I know it's like $3.99 at Target for a small jar. Love these coconut cream yogurts. I only get 2 because I'm the only one that really eats them, so those are for me. Here is fresh pineapple fruit chunks. I picked up 3 zucchinis so that I can make chicken zucchini lasagna. And I got a lime to make my spicy margaritas with. Picked up a pack of strawberries because they were $2.99. We love these high protein veggie burgers. They're made out of like a pea protein and they're super good. I forgot to pick up buns for those, but they'll go in the freezer. I can pick up buns in another time. I think this was only $2.99, the salami and provolone cheese. So I figured we could make sandwiches with those. I was almost out of everything but the bagel sesame seed. We put this on salad. I put it on our Brussels sprouts, you name it. So I got one of these. This chili lime seasoning blend will go with the jalapeno limeade. And I asked the worker because I wasn't sure what to rim the glass with, and this is what she recommended. So I'm excited to try out. I think if like I want it sweeter, I'll just add a little bit of sugar, but I think it should be good. So this will go with these. This is a seasonal jalapeno limeade, so they will not have it after the summer's over. I picked up 2. They still had pretty much left. I got this succulent because it was $2.99 and I love how it's pink. The succulents around here grow so big and are beautiful. It's like my one of my favorite things about San Francisco. Like, the branches on the succulents around here are like the size of a tree. That's how thick they are. So even mine now are growing really big, and I wanted to add to it. I'm gonna go stick this outside actually. So I'm just gonna go add this to my collection of succulents over here. Now I have a pink one, so that's perfect. Love this pecan praline granola, so good. My husband loves it too. It has pecans and maple syrup on top. It even tastes good with like milk. You can eat it as cereal. And then I always pick up these roasted unsalted peanuts because they're just very, very cheap. They're like $1.99 compared to what you would get in the store. So that is my mini haul. Soon gonna eat this pizza, which looks like I'm about to burn it. Let me take that out. Looks so good. All right, I am going to make this limeade now, and let's see how it turns out. I've been so hungry for this limeade. I don't know why, but I just really want to try this drink, so let's give it a try. There's a place in Pennsylvania we used to go to that had really good jalapeno margaritas, and of course we moved away, so now I'm trying to reinvent the wheel. See if these turn out any good. How this tastes. Ooh, something. One of these has a kick to it. I don't know if it's the spice or the margarita. Oh, that's real good. Cheers. Guys, if you like spicy jalapeno, you definitely need to try it. You guys, this is so good. All right, so one of the things I want to mention is link as many of these items I can down below off of Amazon. So what people don't realize is you can get a lot of these things off Amazon. They do sell them in bulk or for a slightly higher price. So I will link as much as I can. If you live in another country or you live in the United States and you don't have one close by, you will be able to get some of these items offline. This is really good. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Go grab yourself a spicy margarita for the weekend and enjoy. Again, I'll link everything below. You can probably get most of this off of Amazon. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more like it in the future, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!